All right, folks, I've used YouTube a lot to do lots of work to my car, replace lots of parts and do lots of things. It's been very, very helpful, but there's one missing thing that it did not help me with that hopefully this will help other people, and that is a grinding noise that the Town and Country sliding door makes. I think this is a 13 or 14 when it shuts. And I think you just heard it right there. And I have done lots of things to try to fix it, followed lots of instructions, and one of them was to try to start taking this apart to get the actuator on. I've got the panel over here, I've got lots of tools that I used. The other thing was, I read somewhere that if you lubricate this lock back here, that really helps out. I'd actually at one point taken these screws out to try to take the door off, but with the whole thing about having to hold the window open, and with the actuator being something that controls the lock and unlock, and my door still locked and unlocked, it just made a noise, I thought, let me try something else. So what I did was, when I was oiling the latch back there, because it does seem to get caught on the latch, I got too much oil on there and I was drying it off, so I put a paper towel right here, and let's see if I can duplicate what I did. Put a paper towel on that metal part, the little that comes out over there, and once I did that, now it shuts without a noise. So there is your solution, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm going to try to do is attach a piece of fabric, fairly strong fabric that's a little bit more permanent, onto that same spot. But this is the solution to the grinding noise that I know some of you have spent, gone to dealerships, had motors replaced, paid thousands of dollars, but there you have it, and that is your solution. So you can put whatever you want to there to try to keep the grinding noise from happening, but just add something to that metal latch and you're good to go.